Hey, I'm Mike from F9 Finance. If you're watching this, I can probably guess your week. You're buried in spreadsheets, chasing numbers across 6 tabs, fixing a formula that broke for no reason, and somewhere in there wondering when finance turned into this. I've been in that seat. I'm still in it. I'm a senior finance leader, so everything I teach on this channel gets tested against real closes, real board packs, and real CFOs every single month. Now here's what I see. AI is moving fast, and it's easy to feel like the analyst 2 desks over is quietly pulling ahead, while you're still doing the work by hand. That's the thing that keeps good finance pros up at night. It's also exactly what this channel is built to fix. On my AI for Finance channel, I show you how to automate the busy work without writing a line of code, how to build reporting that makes execs actually stop and listen, and how to go from finance firefighter to the person your company can't afford to lose. No fluff, no buzzwords, just the stuff that works on a real desk, from someone sitting at one. So if you're ready to get your time back and become the one they promote, subscribe to the channel and get my free newsletter, Finance AI Insider, where I break this down every week. Link is in the description. Welcome to F9 Finance. Let's get going.